I did, but I got rid of the clicking sound, the annoying clicking sound I had. I can really hear it. It's not coming back, so pretty much I got done off of the thing. I don't know what I did, but it's gone. I don't hear it anymore. So yeah. No clicking noise. Look at that. Would have been coming on right now, but it's gone. I did, but it's